Happy Wednesday. How is everybody? I am here today. This is actually a day before my last day at work. I'm excited. I'm hoping everybody is getting ready for the holiday season. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. I can see there's people that are joining. You know what? Today I want us to talk about 2020 and just reflect a little bit on it. It's quite an interesting year. We can see it's an interesting year for everybody. But today I want us to take a little bit deep of our experience. Hello Kushal, thank you for joining. I want us to talk about this year and reflect a little bit. Okay, this year has been an interesting year for all of us, but looking deep inside me, I'm grateful because I'm still here, and I'm pretty sure you feel the same too. We've lost friends, we've lost family members. Some people went into the hospital, they never came back to us. That's sad, right? It's quite painful. But when I looking at the experiences I've had in life, looking back, I've had it tough at some point in my life. But when I look at this instant right now, I'm grateful because we're in this together. So I would like you to kind of ponder on it a little bit different, by looking at, what? I'm not alone. At least this time we're in this together as a collective. That is very reassuring, and also more than anything, it kind of helped us in the world to look at each other and know that we need each other. We are nurturing relationships right now. We are going back to old people that we've known for many years. We are reconnecting, and we are going back to those stories that we used to enjoy. This has been a year that has caused a lot of reflection to all of us, if most of us, I believe. And I would like you to take it this way. Yes, it's been hard on businesses. It's been hard on in personal places. I remember myself, my partner was gone for almost a year, but did I complain about it? I did not, because it was beyond our control and the countries had to do the shutdown. So we need to look at it. What is positive? What did we do for ourselves? We have actually 2 weeks before we close this year. I want to give you this homework. What can you do to empower yourself? What can you do to empower people around you as we close this year? What can you do? Is it something maybe you're making peace with someone you've had issues with? Or is it something that you would also make some peace with yourself? Because, some people are not happy with themselves. Some people are not happy with others. Some people are not happy with the family, with the colleagues. Maybe close this year with a bang. Just make it positive for you. Make it positive for you, so that in the new year, you start a new year with a new vibe, with new positive energy, with a new higher vibration. All right? So I'm excited. Tomorrow is my last day at work. I'm excited. And I can't be greater. I can't appreciate you more than I can right now. I'm so grateful for this community, and I know that it's been a very hard time for all of us. Stress has been so hard on us, but you know what? Take this for next year. I'm pretty sure it's going to be better, but it starts with our mindset. We need to look at our mindset. How are we looking forward to making our 2021 better? It starts with our mindset. Right? Make peace with everything that happened this year. Make peace with people that you still have issues with. I know that it can be hard sometimes to go back to stories that hurt you, but you don't need that negative energy for next year. Next year is about abundance, guys. Next year is about abundance, love, all the good things. And remember this, when we hold these negative energies, we attract bad. Honestly, we do. So when you leave from a place of abundance, of love, of peace, of happiness, of joy. Being joyful doesn't mean that everything is going well. Just remember that. When we are joyful, we are choosing to be joyful. We are choosing to be happy in the midst of a storm. So like I said, this year has been hard to all of us, but guess what? We have to choose to close this year with a bang. So what is your bang? Mine is to stay positive. Tomorrow is my last day at work, and I have chosen, as I was going through this 2020, as hard as it was, but I chose joy. What are you choosing for yourself and for the new year? So what I can say is, I'm sending you blessings. I'm sending you all the positive things, positive energy to come your way, and everything you are planning to do. If you're planning to have a show next year or whatever positive vision board you have, get on it for next year. Drop your link so that we can follow you and support you. All right, so thank you so much for supporting this page. Bring along other people next year. We're gonna do a few things, new things. I'm excited about stuff. I'm collaborating with colleagues. It's gonna be a good year in 2021. So I'm hoping you have that energy too. And if not, please look deep down in your heart and look at the best things that have happened this year. I don't think we all had experienced a very bad year. Like I said, the little things, not even little, gift of life. We are still here. You are here watching me. Thank you so much. I can see other people are joining in. So I can see we are coming on live here. We have life. There's people that are not here today with us. So those are the little things I want us to start appreciating. So you guys take care. Enjoy Christmas. Be safe. Be safe. And let's still contain this virus. We don't want it to spread further than it's doing right now. It has killed so many people this year, but let us lower and flatten those curves. And I'm not sure about your countries. The vaccine is coming out. I believe that in my province, it's going to be coming out this week, if not next week, but it's already in the country. So people are preparing themselves to go. Some are not. They still kind of wanting to observe. That's still okay, but let's be safe. Let's be safe and take care, keep safe, and enjoy your Christmas with your families. Enjoy, 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 and get ready for next day. It's going to be abundance. I do not take any other thing other than abundance, joy, all the fruits of the Spirit. You guys take care. I love you all.